When you flip a switch in a dark room, the darkness doesn't recede. It is displaced, instantly. To the human brain, light is immediate. It is an absolute, instantaneous presence. We live our lives under the comforting illusion that everything we see around us is happening right now. But nature possesses a fundamental rule, a boundary line written into the very fabric of existence. If the sun were to suddenly vanish from the center of our solar system, we wouldn't notice. Not right away. For 8 minutes and 20 seconds, the Earth would continue to bask in a warm, golden glow. For 8 minutes and 20 seconds, we would orbit a ghost. Because the news of the sun's death cannot travel faster than the speed of light. We call it the cosmic speed limit. But why does this specific number exist? What is the universe trying to protect by preventing anything from moving faster? The answer is far more terrifying than a simple speed limit. It is the only thing keeping the past, the present, and the future from collapsing into chaos. For thousands of years, the greatest minds in history believed light was infinite. Aristotle, Descartes, Galileo, they all suspected that light took zero time to travel from point A to point B. Until 1676, an astronomer named Ole Rømer was tracking the orbit of Jupiter's moon, Io. He noticed something baffling. When Earth was closer to Jupiter, Io's eclipse happened exactly on schedule. But when Earth moved further away in its orbit, the eclipse occurred several minutes late. Jupiter wasn't slowing down. The moon wasn't lagging. Rømer realized the horrifying truth. The light itself was struggling to cross the extra distance of the empty cosmic void. He had discovered that light is a traveler, and like any traveler, it takes time to arrive. This realization completely breaks our understanding of reality. It means the night sky is not a map of space. It is a graveyard of time. When you look at the moon, you see it as it was 1.3 seconds ago. When you look at Mars, you are looking up to 20 minutes into the past. The nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, you see it as it existed 4 years ago. We are trapped in a perpetual delay. We can never look across space without looking back in time. In 1905, Albert Einstein took this universal delay and uncovered the cosmic law behind it. He realized that the speed of light, symbolized by the letter c, is not just a property of light beams. It is an unyielding wall. Imagine trying to accelerate a physical object, a spaceship, a bullet, or a single atom to the speed of light. To move faster, you must inject energy into the object. But Einstein discovered a bizarre paradox. Energy and mass are two sides of the same coin. E equals mc squared. As an object moves faster, the energy you pump into it doesn't just increase its speed, it increases its relativistic mass. The faster it goes, the heavier, more stubborn, and harder to push it becomes. By the time an object reaches 99.9% the speed of light, it becomes so dense and massive that it requires almost the entire energy output of a galaxy to push it just a fraction faster. To cross that final 0.1% and hit the speed of light, an object with mass would require something impossible: infinite energy. And because there is no such thing as infinite energy in our universe, no object with mass can ever cross that boundary. Light can only travel at this speed because photons possess exactly zero resting mass. They are weightless ghosts, born at the limit, trapped at the limit. This brings us to the ultimate question. Why did nature construct the universe this way? Why build a reality with a strict speed limit to protect a fundamental law of logic? Causality. Causality is the ironclad rule that the cause must always happen before the effect. The stone must be thrown before the glass shatters. The star must collapse before the supernova explodes. Betrayal. If you could somehow travel faster than the speed of light, the mathematics of relativity don't just say you move fast, they say you move backward through time. You could leave Earth, travel faster than light, look back through a telescope, and watch yourself being born. You could intervene in your own past. You could trigger effects before their causes ever existed. Nor, the speed of light is not a speed limit for light at all. It is the speed of causality. It is the maximum speed at which information can ripple through existence. It is the universe's cosmic glue, holding the timeline in a strict, logical line. Space and time will literally warp, stretch, and bend themselves via time dilation, just to ensure that no matter how hard you try, the order of cause and effect remains unbroken. But this cosmic speed limit comes with a deeply tragic consequence. The universe is expanding, and on the largest scales, the space between distant galaxies is expanding faster than the speed of light itself. Because those distant galaxies are receding from us faster than light can travel, the information of their existence can never reach us again. Their light is traveling toward us, but the space between us is growing too fast. Every single day, thousands of stars and entire galaxies cross over this invisible boundary line known as the cosmic horizon. They aren't dying. They are still out there, burning brightly. But they have permanently exited our bubble of causality. They are moving into a realm where they can never affect us, and we can never see them again. Humanity is being quietly locked inside a shrinking bubble of reality. Light does not just show us the universe. It defines what parts of the universe are allowed to exist for us. We live in a reality governed by a strict, unyielding speed limit. It protects our past from our future. It keeps our timeline intact. But it ensures that the vast majority of the cosmos will remain forever out of reach.